Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Devon. This new touch auto dip. Y'all know what today is, right? Today is the day. If you can't feel my excitement right now, you should feel my excitement. I'm talking about body temperature, hot. I'm ready because I'm about to go get them keys. Keys to the new shop. That's right. I'm talking a milestone, man. One thing that I know, that the journey that I'm on is not a sprint. It's definitely a marathon, because when you're a one-man army, you learn so much. You know, I'm continuing to educate myself, so I'm gonna continue to post and let y'all see, you know, what I go through. Cause some of y'all may go through these same steps, same process, all that. It's a lot in it. It's not always good. You're gonna have some bad. And that's the type of stuff I wanna bring into reality. That's what I wanna bring to my channel, the truth. Alright, so look, I'm so excited to take y'all on this journey with me, so y'all can experience this ride that I'm going on. I thank y'all, man. I'm about to go get these keys. Don't worry, I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we're gonna explore the new beginning, because it's raining right now. So rain doesn't do nothing but wash away the old and prepare us for the new. I'm the new. So buckle up. Let's go. We're continuing on our journey today. Special day. I'm going to the bank right now to go get that cashier's check. For what? That's to go get that shop, man. I'm about to go sign up for that shop today and get them keys. Not these keys, but I'm going to get the keys to the shop. Special day, man. This has been a long journey, so y'all come on for the ride, man. Alright, y'all. It's been fun, man, in the beginning when I started this journey, but it's time, man. It's time to progress. Progress is beautiful. For anybody who started where I started from, progress, change, it's wonderful, man. But it's a new day. Let the journey begin. All right. Head to this bank, baby. It's here, man. This is like one of the best feelings that you can have as a young business, not even young, man, just a business owner within itself. You know, being able to go to the next level from a level where you started. It's like something you really can't imagine it, man, until you go through it. You know, the sacrifices that you've done, all the hard work you put in, and to see it all pan out, it's just something, man, that you can't nobody take away from you. You know, with me, I'm a one-man army. So in order to make this thing successful, I gotta be the one to figure out everything before I bring along people to help me with my dream. Being able to have other people come in with their talents, their suggestions, you know, anything to make the business prosper, man. That's the goal. Goal is to build something bigger than what I'm doing right now. The next level starts today. I got to be able to go into this with a strong mind to say that I know I got it. You know, I'd have been brought through many struggles that God has brought me through to just leave me now. And I know He won't. So therefore, success is in my mind. And being able to take you all along with me is a beautiful thing, man, because, you know, some of y'all started out with me. And I want to take y'all with me. So therefore, I'm going to share this experience with y'all. So we almost at the bank, so I can't take y'all into the bank. I can't let y'all see everything. But once I get that cashier's check, I'll fill y'all more into the details of what's going on. We're gonna go to the next step. Closer. Yes, sir. All right, listen, YouTube. If you want to know what's been going on with me and where I've been within these past 5 months, check out this link right here. It'll give you a little detail about where I've been, what's been going on with D. What is he still dipping? Is he still painting and customizing cars? I'll tell you a little something, man. So y'all check that out. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I just left about the bank, and voila, I got them checks in hand, y'all. I got my security deposit, and I got my first month's rent. So the lease that I signed, I'll explain all that in the video, and it's gonna be something that I'm gonna post in the future. It's gonna be a how-to video of finding a warehouse, a shop, or whatever you want to call it. Now that I got these checks, now I gotta wait up until the appointment time. I do the exchange, I get those keys. All right, y'all, I'm here. Got these checks, man. I'm about to go make this a change. So, pulled up at the shop now. Going in. What's going on, man?
Nothing chilling, man. How you doing, bro?
Good. Can't complain.
Yes, sir. So you already been here, bro?
Yeah, I've been here to check it out. She let me look at it.
Okay. This the key right here. She said you already signed the lease and stuff.
Yeah,
Okay,
and these
okay.
checks right there. So I just went on to do them in 2.
Okay. Girl, I hear you do raps and shit. I heard you talk to my dog, my partner over there, and
on the end.
Yeah.
I talked to him. Talked to him about it. Yeah, I do the vinyl raps, liquor raps. My bad.
I'm looking like
I'm doing like 3 things at one time,
Yeah,
man.
I
And I
feel
vlog too, so.
Okay. What's your channel?
New Touch Auto on
On YouTube?
YouTube, yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, New Touch Auto on YouTube. And of course, you know, you got other social media sites too.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, this is perfect right here.
Yeah, it's big.
It's perfect, man.
I'm texting her right now about the dude so he can put these lights in
Okay.
so we can have that situated for you. So I'm gonna just leave that ladder in here.
All right, that's cool. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. I mean, I like the fact that he got this right here.
Yeah.
'Cause I can use all that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Especially with vinyl.
Yeah.
That shit tough to me, man. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I mean, the liquid.
But
Both of them got they, you know.
Yeah.
They challenges, but
alright, I can fuck plastic, but the rap,
yeah.
small area. That's all I want to deal with, small area.
Yeah, it's tough, man. It ain't no joke, man.
Yeah, you got the best dough in the whole building. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You
Yeah.
got the best dough in the whole building.
These here lit up. This is the only way they lit up.
Yeah. And they already locked and stuff. So they locked, just gotta kick them. Like those shots, gotta kick them, let them up.
I ain't switched for all of them.
Yeah.
That's
All of
with
them.
that.
I don't know about these though. I see this got a cord, extension cord, or cord
Yeah.
pistol. I don't know about that.
It's running somewhere. I don't know. Figure it out.
This unit got most plugs, got most of the plugs in it too also.
Yeah. What about I know in the contract, man, the lease agreement, she was talking about, you know, your logo or whatever.
Yeah, so basically, you have to get approved by them, and then it'll go over your dough. They don't want it over your bay dough and nothing like that. They got to go over the dough. They
Yeah.
got to approve it, stuff like that. So, by the way, so the rules and regulations, it's simple.
So the gates, do they have a certain time where they locking them?
No. You go in as you please, go in and out as you please. It's 2. And then for the bathrooms, I mean, that's the bathroom right there. You know what I'm saying? So I try to make sure I keep it locked, all of that stuff like that.
You write it on there?
Yes, sir.
Just write it on the back.
Try to make sure I keep it locked and shit, 'cause I don't want the jugs and shit going in there.
That's a good thing. They ain't too strict, man. So.
Yeah, they ain't too bad, bro.
All right, YouTube, guess what? You see behind me, we inside. And the only way you can get inside here, you gotta have this. Yes, sir, I got the keys now, man. I'm inside my shop. New Touch Auto did it. It's my shop. I finally made it, man. And it's been a hell of a journey. I started this journey in 2015. And I finally made it to the next level. I went through so much, but that was educational for me. A lot of knowledge. All right, I got so much more to do. I got a lot more that I got to succeed in order to get where I really want to be. Like I said, I'm gonna do another video, and it's gonna be the tour of the shop. Once I bring my stuff in, get everything cleaned out, because I'm a professional person, y'all. I like to keep things professional. I like to look professional. I like to present myself professional. All right. So if you rode it out with me thus far, y'all the real MVP. I appreciate you for sticking with me, for representing me, for supporting me. I thank you. You too. I especially thank you for allowing me to post these videos. Journey doesn't stop here. Be on the lookout for the new tour and more content. Thank y'all for checking this video out. If you haven't subscribed, that button is free. What you waiting on? All right. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.